welcome to my forest. My name is Pip. I'm so glad you're here. Wow, Barnaby, you're so big.
I am, Pip. It's good to see you.
It's magical. Can we explore?
Hello, little friend. A fine day, isn't it?
It is. Your cap is so cozy.
I'm glad. Stay as long as you like.
Hello, Barnaby. Why so sad? Oh, Pip, it's just so cold and lonely. Don't be sad. Let's be friends. Okay, Pip.
The clouds drift by, reminding me of days gone by. I wonder what adventures await beyond the horizon.
I know it's scary, but I have to try. I'll spread my wings and fly towards my dreams.
Almost!